Many horse owners choose to leave show and competition horses in stalls throughout the year. This, in combination with the fact that many horses are fed high-energy rations, pose a potential hazard when horses are turned out in order to get free exercise or grazing time. In this module, we will discuss proper ways to limit risk of injury when turning horses out in paddocks or runs, and also cover how to safely tie horses. Many horses tend to run and play when they are being turned out, especially if they've been stalled for a time. Handlers should always lead horses into an area and turn the horse around so that the horse is facing towards the end gate and the handler is between the two. In this way, if the horse decides to run or kick, they will have to turn 180 degrees around to do so, thus giving the handler time to move away. Horses who are led into a pen and immediately turn loose can then run by the handler, putting them in harm's way. This is also true for leading horses into stalls. Always walk in the stall with a horse and turn them around before unfastening the halter. When leading a horse through the barn or other close quarters, always make sure not to lead them directly behind other horses. Lead horses safely out of the way of a kick from another horse. If the space is really confined, make sure to push the other horse out of the way to provide a safe passage for the horse you are leading. Energetic or nervous horses may not care to be tied up. Horses should be tied in a manner that prevents them from getting loose, but also should be tied so that a person can quickly untie them in an emergency. Using a quick release knot will ensure both. This is how you tie such a knot. This can come in very useful if the horse sets back once tied. Only tie to objects that are sturdy so that if the horse startles and sets back, the object will not come loose. Tying horses to stall fronts, loose panels, flimsy poles, and poorly constructed fences may lead to the horse being injured if they should try to pull free. Furthermore, the height and length to which horses are tied is also important. Tie at eye level of the horse with no more than about an arm's length of loose rope. This will prevent the horse from potentially putting a front leg over a long rope, which will lead to the horse becoming entangled. Horses can provide many hours of enjoyment, but must always be taken for the powerful animal that they are. They have minds of their own and may become frightened at things unforeseen. By respecting their power and size and following a few safety points, the risk of injury may be greatly reduced.